Okay, here we go again. We're going to spell some words, and the first word is met. Met. Now remember that if you can't remember or if you can't hear the sounds, split it with your fingers. Remember how we do it? Et. There's three sounds. Met. If you didn't do it right, what do we do? Remember? We just cross out the word and we write it down. Met. Met. I want to hear you when you write it down. All right, David and Marilu, next word is day. What day is today? Day. How many sounds do I hear? D, A. I only hear two sounds, but I'm going to give you a hint. This is A at the end of the word. Write down day. This is how you write it? Is this what you put in there? Yes? Nice job, Marilu. What about you, David? No? Cross it out and then write down the word day. Day. Got it. Next word is seed. S-E-D. There's only three sounds, but I have E in the middle of the word. We practiced that one earlier. We read some words with E in the middle of the word. Seed. Let me see what you wrote, Marilu. Show me seed. Show me your word, David. All right, show it to me when you're done. You done, Marilu? All right. S-E-D. Only three sounds, but the hint is there's four letters. E in the middle of the word, Marilu. How do you write it? Seed. You got it? Let me see. Ah, you fixed it. Good job. David, let me see. Seed. Oh, beautiful. Next word is off. Off. That's a sight word. Off. Off. Oh, excellent. Next one. Next one is nap. Maybe later I will take a nap. N-A-P. Three sounds. Nap. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Is that what you wrote? Yes, I know. I want to take a nap too, David. Nice job. David and Marilu, next word is 10. My daughter is 10 years old. 10. 10. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 10. Ah, fix it, fix it. 10. 10. Nice job, you guys. And the last word for today is mop. I have to mop the kitchen. Mop. Mop. I hear. Three sounds. Got what you wrote? Mop. Let me see, David. Yes, Marilu. David. David. Mop. No, no, no. Yes, yes, yes. Is that chocolate? No? Oh. Oh. Well, now I'm craving chocolate. All right, David and Marilu, we have All right, clean up your whiteboard. We're gonna get our new sound. Or if you have a notebook, that's fine. Our new sound for today is w. 8 minutes. We're almost done, Marilu. 8 minutes. W. Can you say w with me? W. David, we're gonna write down w 5 times. Remember? Here we go. W. Remember to say the sound when you write it. W. 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 Can you think of a word with the w sound? W. W. Washington. Because Washington is the name of a state. We're going to write it with a capital letter. That's a long word. Washington. Wet. That's a great word. Who said it? Marilu or David? Wet. Wet. David, can you think of a word with wa? David, can you think of a word with the sound wa? We have wet, Washington. What about no? Wa. It's an expression. When somebody tells you something that is hard to believe, you say, no, what? Yes, that's fine. You can say, no way, right? Way. David, you left us for a second. No way, David left. Miss Gurvich said, no way. Way is another word. Why? Why is another word. Nice job, Marilu. Why? David, what about, sometimes some people put something on their hair and it looks like hair. What is this called? It's a it looks like hair and you put it on your head. And then it looks like you have all these. A wig. A wig. Wig. Nice job, you guys. Excellent. We're going to read some words with w and where. That's another one. Nice job, Marilu. W. We're going to read some sounds with w. All right, here we go. Marilu, go first. Right here on the arrow. May. Remember E in the middle of the word. Eid. Ox. Now it's a question, so we're going to read it again. May I feed the pet fox? Your turn. David, your turn. Right here. Do you see the arrow, right? Mix. Oh, you know this word. The. What's your first sound? D. Mud. We're going to go back and read it again. Your turn. Mix the mud in first sound. P, a, t. Pot. Give me 1 second, Marilu. Pot, right? Mix the mud in the pot. You read it with me, David. Mix mud in. Good job. Marilu, last one. Remember E, right? So let's go back again. The in the hot rod. I see the man in the hot rod. Your turn, Marilu. Nice job, you guys. Excellent. I know you have to go to your other meeting. You have 2 minutes. And I just want to show you, Marilu, when you are on Clever, I'm going to assign some books to you. And I want to make sure that you take a look at them, all right? And you read them. We're going to be reading some books. Can you see my screen now? All right, David, you know about these books, right? So here, where you see Learning A through C, you're going to go in there through Clever, log in with your Active Directory, and under your name, I'm going to assign you some books, okay? That will be our homework for Thursday. So look up for the books that I'm going to put on your account, and I want you to preview those books. I want you to look at those books. We're going to read those books on Thursday, all right? Okay, excellent. It is 11:29, and we have about a minute before you finish. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you here, Marilu. It's gonna look something like this. You're gonna see. Yep, you're gonna see some books like this. Okay, Marilu. You're just gonna. All right, you're gonna click on them and you're gonna read them. Sounds good? All right. Thank you so much, you guys. It was great to see you. Adios. Bye-bye, Marilu. Adios, David.